Hi, Lakshmi. Welcome. Lakshmi. Hi, John. Can you hear me? Hi, hi, hi. You're not audible. Yeah, connect through mobile.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Yeah, thank you for this. Yesterday I have a class
Okay,
in
okay.
college, so only I couldn't attend the program.
Mm-hmm. Like, have you watched the recording?
Not yet, Satish.
Okay,
But
okay.
that session was useful for me.
Okay.
Yes, I
Like,
thought as to speak with you regarding my presentation because in my class I have to be present the PPTs
mm-hmm.
and topics I have to teach the colleagues.
Yes.
While that time I have the hesitant to talk before them and a little struggle to talk with them. So I plan to discuss with you regarding that on that day also. But
Mm-hmm.
I could not have the courage to speak with you on that day.
Okay, fine. Okay. So I'll. Yeah, you can tell me like what exactly, like, have you watched any videos or you attended two session or one session till now?
Second day program I attended.
Okay, second day. After second day program, any changes you see?
Yes, Sadish, you told first day you told about fear and imaginary fear.
Hmm.
Yes, like that imaginary fear. I thought what is the imaginary fears I have in my mind.
Hmm.
Something I noticed. And the second day you told about the present, past, future. How
Yes.
present, uh, past affect the future, and how future affect impact the present.
Yes.
That was so nice. And you solve the problem of Prashant. Someone has told she has not concentrated on his study, and
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
solve the problem. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, like, what exactly you are, yeah, challenges, like you are not able to present, or like what thought process you have?
Because my colleagues are well knowledgeable person.
Mm-hmm.
I am not interested in so much in studies. I am like musician, like that. Socially uh, go and speak with them, like that only. But not fully interested in my studies. But colleagues with who are studying with me are fully interested in studies, and but I am not showing much interested in study because I am before I am before I study UG, PGs and all. I
Hmm.
enjoyed my life with my friends and not focused so much in my studies. I will
Hmm.
study only for my exams. But now I am doing MPhil, but I have to study all the days. Every day I have the assignments
Hmm.
and have to submit and present the topics before my colleagues and someone. So I have the fear and not yet practiced much. And I'm not giving much more importance to um, improve myself also. Just being lethargically and not doing much, uh,
Mhm.
empowering myself.
Okay. So today topic is like how to come out of insecurities.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So we know we should raise our hand in class, right?
Mm.
But afraid we will sound stupid, right?
Mm.
We pipeline silently for our crush, but keep our distance so they don't laugh in our face. We want to voice our idea in the meeting, but can't find the words until we hear someone else say them first. Okay, this is what exactly you're saying, right?
Yeah.
Like you can call it a social anxiety, self-doubt, inhibition, whatever we can
Mm.
call it. It's insecurity, and it's a universal part of human condition.
Okay.
Okay, it is not only for you, it is a universal part of human condition. Okay, this
Okay.
this urge to hide starts with the perception that something is wrong with us. We are awkward, annoying, boring, stupid, a big loser, incompetent, or any of million other not good enough traits. And we think unless we conceal our perceived flaw, it will become obvious to everyone, who will then judge and reject us. So, what you understand from this statement?
Yeah, as this some statement, I think that boring, stupid, incompetent, like that thoughts I had, Sadish. Mm.
Okay.
But I have a thought like that I can do, but not giving much more importance for my empowering myself, not giving much more time to my studies. Mm. I'm giving my time to some other works, but not for my studies. That's the main thing. If I put my interest in my studies, I can put my time for so. Mm,
What results you want right now?
I want the result.
Like,
Mm,
do you see, like,
being
you do,
confident, being
like,
confident, but when I started to uh, share the PPT, getting struggle to my concentrate in my language. That's the main problem. Uh, how would be my language self doubt? Uh,
so you see, like, there is a self doubt. Can you see?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So like we know we should raise our hand in class, but afraid we will sound stupid, right? It is the same, like if you want to prepare a PPT, but you are afraid you may sound stupid in front of them or what people will say, right?
Mm. Yeah.
But you keep a distance so that don't laugh in our face, like somebody laugh at you or something. It is imagination, something, right? Something may happen because of your PPT, right? Like we want to voice our idea in the meeting, but can't find the words until we hear someone else say them first, or because of self doubt or innovation, right? This is all including, we call it as insecurity.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So just a minute, I will clear this drawing. So if you go deeper, like self doubt, like when you first time experience self doubt
Self-doubt.
from
Mm,
childhood.
not like that. In my school days, I will boldly present the cases.
Mhm.
We talk about my studies and all.
Yeah. In your childhood, you are bold.
Yeah.
Okay. In your
I will join
child.
the competition, Pechupoti like that, speaking competition,
Okay.
and some other art competition. I will join in my school days.
Right. In your childhood, you are bold. Like till what age you are bold? You- Like
Mm, till school days,
school days means 13 years, 14 years, like 16
12,
years,
12 up to 12th standard.
up to 12th standard. Right. Okay. So when you first time experienced self doubt, like in childhood it was not there. You are bold. You are whatever you want. You are doing freely. You don't have much self doubt or hesitation or what people will think. It is not there, right?
Yeah.
So then it started. Like what incident made it started? Any failure or any incident that impacted?
Mm, I trying to remember that incident.
Hmm.
Yesterday also I tried to remember that incident. What was the imaginary uh, fear make me that? But I couldn't find that incident. Mm,
Okay. You don't remember the incident.
yeah, exact incident what good might be I don't know.
So after 12th standard, any failures or something wrong I did or something you experienced, maybe silly things or anything you can say.
Maybe 12th standard I got low marks.
Okay. 12th standard, you got low mark. Okay. Anything else?
Mm, that's the only thing. But at that time, not I care about that. But I felt that something because I was a good student in my study up to 10th standard. In 11th and 12th, I could not concentrate my studies. That
Okay.
night,
Me,
yeah, I changed my school. 11th standard and 12th standard, I changed to another school.
okay. In 11th and 12th, you changed your school, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Like before that, when you are in 10th standard, you're scoring good marks,
yeah,
right? Is it a local school or like,
yeah.
right?
That
Okay, it is the vernacular language or which language school it was till 10th
no,
standard?
that was Tamil medium.
Okay. Okay, till 10th, you studied in Tamil. Okay. And are you coming first rank or like how like you are?
I will come under first 5 ranks.
Okay. Tamil and okay. With distinction you pass, right? Okay. So here you don't see any self-doubt, nothing, right? So when you came to 11th standard, is it English medium or like what? Like how
The
it was?
same, the same Tamil medium now.
Hmm. But like
But I have a friendship.
hmm.
I started to giving more importance to my friends in my class.
Hmm.
I will play with my friends, and I will not do the assignments, homeworks at all. Up to 10th standard, I will regularly do my homeworks assignment. After that, I will 11th standard. After that, I will not do my homeworks regularly.
Okay, after 10th standard, you started, you start like you like reduce the reading, right?
Yeah.
You reduced reading and what you used to do and having fun with friends, right? Do you bunk class or something or like what and all you do, like
Yes.
having fun, bunking class, right?
Going to school late.
Okay.
Got scolded by sir many times for becoming lazy or going to school every day late.
Yeah. So you like till 10th standard you are like separate person of like you are more concentrated on studies, right? After 10th standard you reduce reading, you like have new friends now. They will call you for some having fun, bunk the class, go play, smoking or something, like as a student like they will go somewhere or have some fun, right? You started doing that but you enjoyed it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Then what happened? Results came, right? What happened after when you see the results?
I'm not care much about the result, but I will join the college, and I think how could be that make impact in my life. But I could started to change. I could see some changes in me regarding studies.
Hmm. Okay. What changes you see?
Because before 10th, I given much more time for study
Hmm.
and doing assignments, homework.
Hmm.
That I am reducing the time to do my homework assignments at all.
Okay. After 10th standard, you stopped like anyway you stopped reading or reduced reading and all, right? You
Reduce.
started that, you got some results. Like 10th, you studied well, you got some result. After 10th, you reduced reading, you got some result. Maybe like not as good as distinction, very good mark. You scored some mark, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then what happened?
Then mm, I will only study for exams only, not daily basis. I will not study. Up to 10th, I will study on the daily basis. In my college, after that, I will not study a daily basis. Only for exams only I will do.
Okay. Okay. Then when you first time experience like you are not good, or my English is not good, or something like that, like whatever you are saying right now, no?
Mm.
Right, it is not started today, right?
Yeah, yeah.
First time when you experience like that, I'm not good in English, or I'm not scored well, or what?
Not only like that in English, but once I was going to college, my friends used to joking at if boys going before the class and saying something, presenting something means, and they will make jokes, puns. So usually in my boys friend circle, we no one will go to present anything. In that gang, I will join that.
Okay,
So
in
my friends.
college you saw like uh,
I have been
students.
with my friends
Hmm.
who used to not going to study and present anything before at the class. If anyone do, they would say, "Who is this boy? Who and all doing? Girls only doing presentation. They will be only a good student. Are a good student? Yeah, we shall go to classroom. We'll cut the class and run the class."
Okay, so first time you saw in college, students are laughing at person who goes to the stage or something they present, they started laughing. So from that moment, like, you created self-doubt, right? Self-doubt is started here, right?
Mm.
If I go to stage, like, people will laugh, so I should be careful, right?
Mm.
People will laugh, people will make a joke, something, right?
Mm.
So before it was not there, right? In college it started,
Mm.
right? Before that you didn't had a thought like, what people will think if I go to stage. It is not there in here.
Yeah, before 10th, I have a school circle. Even I'm not going in front, they will force me to come front and talk, and you should
Hmm.
join competition. So I will used to join that in school days.
Yeah, right. When you are participating, people are telling you go, like, randomly you go and do something, right, in the stage or something, but you didn't have this self doubt or like fear of like what people will think,
I
right?
don't.
It is started when in colleges you saw some incident, or something impacted you, that like people will laugh, so we should be careful, right? Or I am not good enough, like,
Yeah,
what, I am not
I'm
smart,
not
like,
having the stuff enough the about the subject knowledge. Less
okay,
subject knowledge made me too less confident to speak before them and make me.
like, less subject knowledge
Yeah.
means I am not smart enough, right?
Mm.
So one self doubt, and like, it, like, I am not smart enough, and anything else?
Mm, good enough. I'm not communicating well. I could not present.
Yeah, means like I am not smart enough means I'm not communicating well, like, I can't present well, right? Okay, or it may be a self doubt, like I am not good, right? I am not smart. It's both are same, right?
Yeah.
So there is a self doubt. Okay, so it
Mm.
started from here, right?
Mm.
And also, so you want to disappear this, right?
Mm.
So when you like when I started, no, this class session, first session, if you see the first session, no, it was first time I'm doing. Like I didn't had PPT, nothing I prepared. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Today also you see there is no PPT and all. Like I'm whatever you are saying, I'm noting it. Okay. So I can say like I am like I failed in 12th standard. Okay.
Mm.
So what I did, I failed. I created a self doubt. When I failed, what I said is like I am not good. I am not good or smart. Okay. Not educated. Okay. So in your case, you said same thing, like you saw some incident, right? I'm not good, I'm not smart, right? So anywhere like you given some presentation and you failed or something like that, or somebody laughed at you, is there any incident like that? Or only you saw the incident?
I saw the incident. That was not to happen to me in the UG and PGs.
Mhm. Okay. In my case, look, I really failed in PUC. Okay. In your case, what happened? You saw something. You saw somebody failed.
Yeah. Me also doing the same to my friends. If they go in before and starting to present the homework assignments,
Hmm.
we will laugh at them. Need to have the same experience. I do fun with my friends.
Okay.
So
So
I will
you,
not do it to my other myself.
yeah. So like when you saw that incident, no, you don't want to go through the same incident, right? So then you created self-doubt. Okay. So like you have to think like when I failed, okay. I failed, is it equal to I am not good, I am smart, I am not educated? I failed means what?
Yeah, I'm not good. I failed means
So can you check in the dictionary? I failed means what?
I'm failed means I lost something.
Just will
I've
clear
not
this.
been.
Okay.
I will. I'm
Clear
not.
this. Okay. So I failed or I will fail. Okay. Can you check in the dictionary what is the failure meaning?
Failure means not succeed, not got success.
Or no full there is a like you can see like not producing the intended result.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Like like a failure is not like everybody have their own definition. Okay, somebody want to fail. For them, if they fail, for them that is a success. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Somebody want 100 mark, like, or 99 marks. He score 98 marks, then he thinks that he failed. Okay. So failure is like, it is subjective to persons. So we will take it as not producing the intended result.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Failure means like how you define it. Like for you, if 35 scoring 35 marks is a success, then you will be happy after scoring 35. I passed, I am happy. Okay. There is another person, he wants 99 marks, okay, or 100 marks. If he get 95 also, he will be upset. Like he feels like I failed to score 98. Okay. In your case, like how much you wanted to score, or like there is no score, right?
Mm.
Like you want, like in your case, you want to give the
100%.
presentation. Like you want to present, okay, you want to give the presentation in office, right?
Mm.
You want to give office presentation.
My class.
Class. Okay, in class presentation. Like what class? Okay, you like it was like you wanted to give the class presentation, or right now you want to give the presentation?
Mm. Class presentation.
Okay. So like class presentation you want to give, right?
Mm.
So if you fail in class presentation, you will fail, or like you fail to produce the result,
Fail to produce the result up to the
right?
marks. Is called.
Okay. So failure is not like you will not fail, okay,
Mm.
right? If you fail in the present, like I failed, it doesn't mean that like I am not smart. If you fail in one subject, is it equal to you are not good in something?
Not like that. But
One thing, no, just like, so if you fail in presentation, okay, if you fail, here, no, giving the presentation, fail to present. Okay. It is not, is it equal to I'm not smart?
no.
Okay. It is not equal to I'm not smart, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And when you say I fail to present, no, it is like completely your identity is failed. When you say I failed, it is like completely my identity is failed.
Mm.
When you see failure as not producing an intended result, it's one task.
Mm.
Okay, you have one presentation task, you failed in that. Okay, if you consider our session, no, this is the first day, people like 21, 22 people joined. Okay, and I am not prepared. Okay, many mistakes I did, recording not well. You see, if you see first day recording, no,
Mm.
like you see small images, like it is doesn't went well. Okay, you can, if you see that, you can see it is a fail.
Mm.
Like, right, after that people are reducing, right? No more people, right?
Mm.
If you see in that angle, it is like fail to produce the result. According to whom? According to the people who are judging me.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, like negative side of it is Negative side is like not prepared or no PPT, no proper recording. Okay. Okay. Not many people. Okay. Not many people attending. Like, so if you think a negative side, it is a like I failed to produce outcome, right? If you think the positive side, like who came, no? Who came and attended? Who came and attended? Positive side is who came today, no? They got the result. Got results, okay? Like everybody who came consistently 2 days, they got the result, okay? Whatever they wanted, they got the results, okay? And so for me, in this free session, no, if one person also get the result, no, I am successful, right? If I can produce a success in one person's life, I can produce success in like millions of people's lives also.
Yeah.
Right? If I think in that way, right, it is my success. Okay. And another thing, I am not prepared. Then also I took some action and I did this. Even though I am not fully prepared or I didn't prepare PPT, I have busy schedule already. I am taking new projects, right? I will be busy in my digital marketing, digital advertising project. I will be busy in my trading, okay, like Bitcoin trading, cryptocurrency trading, and all. I'll be busy in that, okay. So also I thought like it will help, like it helped me that this techniques no helped me so that I am doing multiple businesses, many things I am doing now. Even though corona, many people are sitting, no, don't know what to do. I am creating one by one. Okay. So like 6 months back, I started business. Okay. After that, I started another one. Right now, I started coaching. Right. Like that, I am doing multiple things. Okay. So it is my context. In my context, like people will judge. Okay. People will say like people have two options. They can see negative or positive in anything. Okay. That is up to them. I can't do anything about it. What I can do is I can do whatever I want to do. I love to do. I want to train people. Like come and like I launched free class for 5 days. You will get the like I created a result oriented session. Okay, when we want to produce a result, no, it won't look good. Okay, it will not be like exciting session. It won't be like motivational session. We have to go deeper, we have to work, right? In any result, if you want to produce, there is so much work involved in it. It will not be comfortable or it will be not be enjoying kind of a thing. Okay, so what people will do, people will come if they don't feel like oh it is like motivating or something enjoying, they will stop coming. Okay, only people come like "Oh, I really want this result, something can open up," right? If they come for 5 days, they will get the results, right? Also like I shared some of the my testimonials, like people who came, they got the result. Also in this session 3 people already got the results. Okay, so it is like that. So I can see in both the sides. Okay, if I see I am not prepared, I'm not prepared, many people are not attending, if I see in that angle, like I'm a failure. Okay, if I see here, even though many people they have all the PPT, everything they have ready. Like one of my student, She had everything ready. Course she recorded. She wanted to teach about time management. Everything is ready. She attended many trainings. Everything she completed, but she was not taking action to take live classes. She was fearful. She has everything in hand. She is not taking action. Okay. So when I spoke to her, I like, then she started taking action. She launched her course. Okay. Like 15 people attended her session. Okay. Like that. Right. So it is also inspires you to do mistakes. Fine. Like when you start something new, mistakes tend to happen. People will say what they will say, but what matters is where you see. If you see negative side of it or positive side of it. Even though I don't know anything, I have the courage to come and speak in front of you, right? So I don't have any self doubt like I will do or not. I am clear that for 5 days, whoever attend, they will get the result. Okay. So many people, even though 5 days they are not coming regularly, also 2-3 days they attended, they got the result, right? It's fine. Okay. So one thing is, one angle is you can see this positive and negative side. Anything you do, it has both angles. Okay. And failure is only not producing the intended result. Failure, when you say I failed, it is like the identity got failed. Like I am completely lost, or I'm not good enough, right? And also third angle is like failed. Failed to present is done. It is not equal to I am not smart. Fine, if you fail in something, no? Okay. If you fail in something, it doesn't equals, okay? I'm not smart. Okay, it is a wrong statement. You can check. Failed means you checked in the dictionary. Like failure means not succeeding in one topic. Like whatever you want to achieve, you failed in that, right? So you failed to produce the intended result. That's all. I am failed. Like you failed in exam, or you didn't went to the stage and failed, but you saw somebody failed and you were fearful, because failure means what, you are not smart, or I don't want, like people make fun, right? Right. So failure is not equal to this. Failure means it is just not producing intended result. Okay. In school, college days, like it was there, like people can make a fun of you, but you are in right now, where are you? You are in
College,
office, right?
college, MPhil.
MPhil. Okay. So what maximum what can happen, like when you give the presentation?
You're asking about the impact, how people will react to you. That's what you're asking. Yeah.
Mm.
Is it right?
Yes.
While I'm presenting now, um, I am I have the concept in my mind, but I
Mm.
could not express the full what is in my mind. I have the concept and subject knowledge in my mind, but I could not express it. So my friend saying that you can explain it well, something like that.
So you have a concept in mind.
Mm.
Okay. So consider like you are not prepared. You have already concept in mind. If you go and share, what will happen? Maximum what can happen?
Mm. People will not understand.
Okay,
The taking class which I am taking is
just a
not
minute.
for others.
Okay, like you go and present.
Present.
Okay,
Hmm.
present. Is it a correct spelling? PRE present.
Then,
Fine.
yeah.
Okay. You go and present. Okay. It, okay. What will happen? People not understand.
Could not get the concept which I'm saying.
Okay. May not get.
1 or 2% can get, but not all the persons getting the concept.
Okay. So if you go and present, okay, people will not get it or anything else. Anything else? One doubt is like people may not get it.
But
Okay, it is about people. Okay, one
yeah,
thing people may not get it. Second thing, like about you,
professor
like
professors will tell you can explain it well.
yeah, professors can tell. Like people means professor also comes. Okay, you can. What professors will say? You can.
Do prepare well on next class.
Okay, prepare well next time. Okay. Okay. Anything else they can say?
Mm,
Have you presented anywhere? No. This is the first time you are going to present.
I present in my classrooms.
Same topic or this is new topic?
Because it is in my syllabus. I have to take. Everyone has to take class regarding the subject, which is in syllabus.
Okay. Okay.
So I had take to class on 4 to 5 times regarding the topic. I
Okay.
could
You are
class.
already taking the presentation on that topic.
Yeah.
Okay. From how many years?
Only 6 months only
Okay.
started to taking classes.
Okay. From 6 months, you are taking class. How long you studied for this? How many years you studied?
4 years, 4 to 5 years.
Okay. 5 years. 5 years means like you did degree, right?
Yeah.
After degree, you did 5 years.
After
Okay.
degree, I got another degree.
Means 13 plus 5, right?
School 12 and college 5 years. Totally 12 into 17 years.
Okay. 12 plus 5 years.
Hmm.
Okay. Equal to 17 years experience. Okay. You like you are saying you don't have much experience, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So, like, is it true? First of all,
You're asking about the right side.
like, I want you to see, like, is it a truth or it is just a imagination or perception? right? Like from 6 months you are taking class, you have 17 years of experience in studies, right? You studied for 17 years. It is a big thing, right?
Yes.
Right. So, and also you are saying you don't have much experience. Is it true? Like you have this, like 17 years you studied, 6 months, from 6 months you are taking class. What else you need? Experience. Like what makes you say you don't have much experience?
I
You
have
may, right? You made it this equal to I don't have much experience. Like how come you say that? Right?
Okay.
Also, like here you are saying like from 6 months you are taking class. Like people will say prepare well next time, right? And also you don't know, this is just a imagination, okay?
Yeah.
Or perception, wrong perception, or illusion, or thoughts, thoughts hypnotizing you. Okay, because you are believing in an illusion. When you
And
have,
another result, yeah, and another result I could see nowadays, I could not submit the reports, data, and assignments before the right time.
hmm,
After
okay,
the
see, okay, not sending report on time, right? Not sending the report. So what you are saying?
my classmates will send the reports of their own, but I am the only person who submitting the reports later. But
You,
all staffs will ask
so how many students are there in your class?
only 5.
5. Okay, like how many submitted on time?
4 good.
4 students submitted on time. Okay, you not submitted on time. Yeah. Okay, so
So,
so you are not submitted on, like 4 people submitted on time, you are not submitted on time. So what you are saying yourself? I am lazy or what? I
and
am
this
not good, I am not good, what?
it can see later what would happen. Let's see what they would do.
Then
Lethargically will take the this.
hmm?
Lethargically I will take this incident. Whatsoever happen, okay, let it happen. I don't care about it.
I am lazy, I don't care, right? Okay, not sending the report on time, is it mean I'm lazy or I don't care? Is
Not
it
equal
equal?
to that. Not equal.
Yeah, but you think it is equal, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Like I am not sending the report on time means what? I am not sending the report on time, right? Is that clear?
Yes.
If you search in Google, I am not sending the report on time. What it will say in Tamil? Not submitted report on time. If you are like search Hindi, what it will say? मैंने like सही time पे report नहीं दिया, right? Or if you search in English, it will say same thing, right? I on time पे I am not sending the report on time means I am not sending the report on time, right? It will not say like I am not sending the report on time. It is equal to I am lazy, I don't care, right? So like we already, this is the illusion you are living in, okay? People may not get it, right? After 6 months you have taken the class, right? You know how many people are attending your class. How many people attending your class?
Five and professor.
Okay, right? Anybody said they are not getting it?
Professor will tell like that.
No, not say will tell. Like you are already taken 6 months
Yeah.
class, right? Anybody said?
One professor said.
One professor said I am not getting it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So after that, what you did? Which class they said?
Yeah, in one class they said.
No, one class means when?
You asking which time you?
No, you
Before-
took 6 months, like 6 month class you took, right? We
Yeah.
like in 6 months, like third month they said six, fourth month they said 6 months. Which month they said?
In fourth month. They
Okay.
said.
Okay. They said in fourth month. Okay. After that, you may change something or whatever you did. I don't know what you did. After that, you took 2 sessions, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Now, like how you made them understand? Like one person didn't got that. How you make them understand? One professor.
But now I can see some better improvement within me. But within the time limits, I couldn't submit the reports, assignments, projects. That's the problem.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, like people may not get it. Is it real right now? It is the illusion. Like you don't know. Like you are not practically did that. Okay. In 5 people, 4 people got means you have very good result, right?
Hmm.
Right. Nobody in school, like any top teachers you take, no, they will not produce 100% result. Okay. If they produce 70% result, that is the good results. Okay. According to the statistic. Okay. In the same school, 100 people are there, 2 3 will score distinction, remaining 60%. Okay. And more people, like above 40 50 people will score only 30%, like passing marks, most of the people. Okay. So it will be there,
Yeah.
right? It is there always. Okay. How
Yes.
much top they are, there will be a percentage people will get that, right? Few people will not get, but you can make an effort. Like if one person is not getting it, so you can understand what he is not getting. When you understand that, you can prepare your presentation very well so that maximum people get the benefit. That we can develop ourselves like every time. Okay, that is one side. And what you are saying here, no, people will not get it. It is not the truth, it is the illusion. Okay, you are fighting with this. Okay, prepare will not, they will say. You don't know that yet. Okay, they may say or they may not say. Okay. And this is also illusion is already proved. Okay, you have so much experience, right? I don't have this much experience. Okay, I failed in PUC and I like 3 4 years I'm in training industry. Okay, Now also I am like communicating to you.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I am trying to understand you, right?
Mm.
So this is the development process. Okay, so
Mm.
but I am not like, oh, I don't have much experience, I'm lazy, I don't care, yesterday I postponed the meeting.
Mm.
Okay, I'm not saying all that.
Mm.
Okay, I postponed the meeting at 9. Okay, 7 to 9 means I postponed the meeting to that time. That's all, right? It doesn't mean I can create anything, right? I can create a story that, oh, I am very bad. Like I told them I will be at 7 o'clock, we will have class, but I postponed it, right? I'm irresponsible. I can say anything, okay? Or I can say like I postpone means it is I postponed, that's all. And I can continue my journey.
Mm.
Okay. So you said I'm lazy, I don't care, right?
Mm.
Like what is this and what is this? They're like completely different. Okay.
Mm.
This is the illusion you are living in. Okay. When you combine these two, no, like
Mm.
first day we said, right? It will
Mm.
create a triangle, right?
Right.
Red
Mm.
triangle. What happens here? No, you will
Mm.
live in this. It will create a like this is one angle. Okay,
Mm.
this is
Mm.
second angle.
Yes.
Okay, like
Mm.
what really happened here and what is your mind created.
Mm.
Okay, mind created something or you can create that, right? When you combine it, it will create a third angle. Okay, this is
Mm.
the triangle. Okay, when you
Okay.
combine it, no, you will forget this and this. Like you
Okay.
forgot this,
Mm.
you forgot this, you mixed both here, and
Mm.
now you are living in this world. Okay,
Mm. Okay.
when you live in this world, you always try to
Mm.
fight with this.
Okay.
Okay, this
Mm.
is the illusion. This is like this. Okay,
Mm.
you are here.
Mm.
Okay, like you are thinking. Okay, there is a wall
Mm.
in front of you,
Mm.
so you created a wall.
Mm.
Okay, this
Mm.
is you are imagining and you created a wall. Like I
Mm.
am not smart.
Mm. Mm.
I am not smart. Okay, you created a insecurity
Mm.
and you are fighting, right? You are fighting every day to overcome this.
Mm.
Is it possible to overcome something? It is imaginary,
Mm. Yeah.
right? Something like you are thinking that there is a wall and you are fighting it. Can you win that battle?
No, no.
In this whole time, like life, you will not win the battle.
Mm.
Right? If really wall is there, you can plan. Like we have very good brain. We can take some tools, even though how much big it is. Like we can still do something. Like we can break that wall.
Mm.
If it you created the imaginary wall, right? Who created this? I am
Allow.
not right. So you created the self doubt, right? You have all the experience more than me. Okay, you have studied very well. You scored very well, right? Right, you took 6 months training, right? These are all say that you are highly accomplished.
Mm.
Okay, and also you are like living for many years, you saw many struggles, many things in life,
Mm.
right? It is not possible like simply live for loss like many years, right? There is so much challenges life will throw every day at us,
Mm.
right? You have to face that and you have to come here, right?
Mm.
So
Okay.
you are extraordinary, like you are did very well, right? So
Yeah.
this is only in your mind, this is the imaginary. Okay. So now we'll see like how mind functions. Okay. If you consider this is mind, okay, here conscious spelling you have to check. Unconscious. Okay. Okay, in conscious mind what happens? So this is your mind. In conscious mind, this you can think. Okay, here thoughts, you can, it will create a thoughts, or you can think. Okay, and in unconscious mind is something like that, it will take anything without judging. Conscious mind can think. Conscious mind will think. Okay, it can think, like always, like it can think positive, it can take positive or negative. Okay, when somebody tells something or something happens, no, or like anything happens in your life, right? You may see something, some incident happen in your life. Okay, or circumstances, the way you study, like everything, no, it will come to here, your conscious mind. It has a thinking capacity, like it can recognize positive and negative. Okay, but unconscious mind can't recognize anything. Okay, whatever you allow inside, it will come here. Okay,
Okay.
so when you say, no, you like you studied 17 years. Okay, okay, this brain can think, okay, you 6 years you have experience. Okay, and another side you said, like I'm not good enough or I'm not smart. You're saying this, right? So when you allow this, no, I'm not good enough, here it will not recognize. Okay, unconscious mind can't recognize anything you allow. Like when you start thinking I'm not good, no, if you allow that thought, no, inside, it will take it blindly and it will produce the results. Okay, it will create your body, like if it is the body, okay, it will create emotions. Okay, then you will get the results. Okay, so now when any thoughts come, no, you should think, like you have the thinking capacity, but your thoughts are automatic. Okay, when something happened, thought to say I am not good, one small result you didn't get, like anything, and small result, like one person said, oh, you should do better next time. 4 people said, wow, we did very good. Okay, one person said you should improve next time. Okay, so now you can like if you start thinking, you can take whatever you want. Like you can take like, oh, good, I am did good, like only from 6 months I am teaching, I'm like 4 people liked it, means like I'm performing well, so I need to improve. Like you can take his suggestion to improve. Okay, or else you will accept it. Like when you accept it, no, I'm not good, it will go to subconscious mind. Then what happens? You always hear.
Mm.
You always think I'm not good, how I can say, how I can do things. Then it will create an emotion.
Mm.
Okay. With the emotion, body activates and it will react. Okay. Then you will produce a result.
Mm.
When emotion of like I'm not good enough,
Mm.
okay, that creates, then your body will say same like active like that only. Body can't function a bold.
Yeah.
Okay. You created this mind, this thing
Mm.
that creates some emotions. When you say I'm not good enough, like you will feel low, or you feel like emotionally helpless, or I can't do it, I'm not good enough, right?
Mm.
So that emotions create like how, because of that creation, how body acts, because of that emotion body acts like, oh, I'm fearful, I can't go, I can't deliver the speech, right? So you forget, like you have 17 years experience and 6 months you already did it, you forgot that everything. You only now, where are you? You're only indulging in I'm not smart enough,
Mm.
right? Even though it is
Yeah.
not equal to, like you have experience, it doesn't like, if you are not reached on time, right, it doesn't make you are lazy or something, right?
Mm.
So like this is what produce result. And when emotions enter body will act accordingly and you will get the results.
Yes.
Like that, what is your result? Because of that thought, you are not able to confidently go and present whatever knowledge you have. If you know, don't prepare anything, no, then also you can deliver very well, because you have 17 years experience.
Yeah.
Many people don't have that. And
Mm.
also 6 months you have experience in sharing, right? If you don't prepare anything, you can prepare better than me actually,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
So now what you are creating, you can create any meaning, okay? Because subconscious mind is like that, like it will take anything you say. If you say I am not smart enough, it will, oh, I did like that, it will start identifying, like your mind will start identifying what and all you are doing wrong. It is something like that. If something stuck in teeth, no, we will not touch any other teeth, other 32 teeth. We only touch the teeth, something stuck, maybe little bit, always it will go there only.
Mm.
Okay. Mind is like that, like if you think I am smart and not smart enough, it will create patterns like that only. I am not good in that, I am not done that, I am not done that, not done that, right? It is keep on creating negative impressions, negative vibrations.
Mm.
So you now you have the power, okay? You have to allow it or not allow it. You have, like when you start thinking, no, you can reject it, other noises,
Yeah.
right? So when you reject it, no, it will disappear. Only like
Yes.
positive you can think, right? So you only you allow to positive things
Mm.
inside.
Yeah.
So for that you should think, like in reality you should think like that. If you forget reality, no, if you start listening simply,
Mm.
then it will create a wall, imaginary wall. Then again you start fighting against it, again and again you will fail. Then you will be like, oh, you stop the fighting one day.
Mm.
Because I did initially when I went to the interview, no, they said like you're not, your English is not good, improve that and come. Then I attempted second time, third time, fourth time. So then I stopped, like I'm not good enough. Okay. After that I took many courses on how to speak English, spoken English and all. I studied everything. Even though I did that, because of that one thought, no, I'm not good, like English is not for me or something, it gone inside. it will stop me for 15 years,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
So then when I came to know this is not the truth, like if I failed, it doesn't equal to I can't be successful, right? Many failure people are successful. They created their own ventures, right?
Mm.
If I failed in one thing, it doesn't mean that I will fail in all the things, right?
Yeah.
I can be successful, right? Many opportunities are there.
I got Satish. Thank you for spending this time for me to explain what's going on to me in the side of my thought. You explain well, Satish. Thank you for the time you spent with.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Satish.
So right now you can give the presentation.
Yeah,
Yeah, can you give 1 minute presentation about like now about your any one topic that like
you asking about and today what has
no any you want to present something, no? Can you give the 1 minute presentation right now?
regarding which topic, Satish?
Any topic like whatever you teach.
Regarding. Okay, let me explain today what we discussed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, I have the thought of uh, self-doubt, like that inhibition, like that thought. You explain me about the what is inside me. I can understand that. I can come out of the situation now. Yes.
Okay, fine. And like how about now? Right now you can take the session, or like when is your next session?
Mm, you can next session I will have on Saturday, Wednesday. I think so. I will have on.
Wednesday. Okay. And share me after Wednesday, no, what changed? Like before, like right now you experiencing some changes, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you no more like you no more have to change yourself, or you don't need to do anything. You are free now. You can go like before 10th you are free. Like you can say anything, you can do anything. That time also you didn't had any experience. If compared to now, you at 10th you didn't had any experience. Then also you are very powerful, we are free, people are pushing you, you are going standing and saying whatever you want, right?
Okay.
Right now, like do you experience the same or not? I want you to share. Okay, after that, like what, like when like Saturday, right? You said Wednesday.
Wednesday.
After completing the session, share with me like what is the like, are you free from all that stuff, like you want to try to overcome or something you want to do? There is nothing, freely you can go and deliver whatever you have prepared. You can
Yeah.
prepare like every day, you can practice so that you can powerfully deliver. But I don't want you to do anything like last time how you go. This time also same way you go and present. Any
Okay.
changes, like do you feeling confident, you are free, aram se you are delivering? Like what is your experience before and after? Okay, you can share with me. Okay,
Yeah.
great. Anything
Yes.
else?
Nothing, Satish. I will contact you after my.
Okay, fine. You can go, share in the group also, like what is your experience before this session and after this session. If you share your experience, it may help many people,
Yes.
right?
Sure.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you,
Have a great
Satish.
day. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Okay, we will meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Last
Sure.
session. Yeah,
Yeah.
bye.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye. Take care.